Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you the basic warm-up exercises before starting Bharatanatyam. So in Bharatanatyam, adults are the basic steps which we follow. But before going to the basic steps, it's very important we should warm up our body with few stretchings and few warm-up exercises. So I'm going to show you series of all the exercises one by one. We should start with eye movement. We have to move your eyes right, left, right, left, right, left. Next, change. Next, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Next, change. Next, you have to move our eyes in a X format. So from this corner to this corner and from this corner to this corner. So right up, left down, left up, right down, right up, left down, left up, right down, right up, left down, left up, right down. Next one, you have to rotate your eyes all around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now opposite. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head movement. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Next, up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Next, rotation. So first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. So we'll go clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is neck movement. So place your thumb on your shoulder and try to touch the fingers, moving your neck. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Try to move it faster. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Next one, you have to move your neck front and back like a bird. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front and back. Exercise number 1. So before start, so do Ardha Chandra. Place it on your waist like this way. Now turn. Make V with your feet. Go on your toes as high as possible and putting your knees outside. Sit completely on your toes. Again get back without putting your heels down. Again sit. Again up. Do this stretching for at least 10 times. Now I'm going to show you exercise number 2. So keep your hands on your waist. Now spread your feet, 4-finger gap between your 2 heels. Sit down deeper, putting your knees out. This posture is called Aramanti. Now go on your toes, keep it little near and jump for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to show you number 3. Number 3, same way, you have to sit completely on your toes. Keep your hands front. Now jump for 10 counts. Make sure your knees are outside, facing outside, and you have to jump for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to show you exercise number 4. So stretch your hand, stretch your legs. Now Bring your hand and touch the opposite foot without bending your knees. Same way on the other side. Come again. Touch. Come back. Touch. Come back. Exercise number 5. Stretch your hands. Same way. Widen up your feet. Now twist your body and bend. Make sure your back leg on your toe, front leg flat, and hold for 6 counts. Come back. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come back. Next one, number 6. So instead of sides, you have to put your right leg front. Bend. Make sure your back leg should be on your toes like this. Bend more deeper. Stay for 6 counts. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. Next. Number 7. Stretch your legs. Put your hands front. It will give you balance. Now you have to sit completely on your right and left. So we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one, jump and touch your hip. So it's very important, your heel should touch your hip while jumping. I'll show you. 1. So like this you have to go for 10 counts. 1, 2. So like this way 10 counts should be repeated. Next, stretch your right hand and kick your right leg and try to touch the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this way 10 counts you have to do. Same way on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So same way you have to continue for 10 counts. Next one is frog jump. So same way, go on Aramati posture, go on your toes, jump and land it on your toes and sit down completely. Jump, sit, jump, sit, jump, sit, jump, sit. So same this way you have to continue for 10 counts. Next I'll show you Bharatanatyam walk. So in Bharatanatyam there is a pattern how should you walk. So rule number 1, touch your hip, put your heel. Touch your hip, put your heel. So I'll show you the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This warm-up exercises not only warms up your body, but it also strengthens your muscles, gives flexibility, and it also allows you to stay longer for a performance. So you should practice it every time before starting with any steps of Bharatanatyam. Thank you.